Hey guys, so we're gonna go over why Ridgid makes the best power tools. Reason number one and only reason why we buy Ridgid, not sponsored, is because of their warranty. This has a lifetime warranty. Actually, all of our power tools have a lifetime warranty. This is broke. And then this one is acting up. Yeah, it's acting up, so. I'm gonna be able to get these fixed for free, and that is why Ridgid power tools are the best power tools.
Not sponsored.
Alright, so we just rolled up to Home Depot. I kept forgetting to drop off my tools. So I think I don't know if it's $18 per tool, but it's a deposit, and once they fix it under warranty, you get your money back. So we'll go do that and see how long it takes to get these tools repaired. I just came back from returning the tools, or dropping them off at the tool section in Home Depot. He had to do each one individually, and it cost $30. It's no longer 18 bucks. So hopefully soon they'll give me a call and I'll go pick up my repair tools. All right, so just got back from Home Depot. Just there checking on the tools. Today is the 3rd of February, and I got a new drill. And instead of just giving me the drill, I got the battery. I think there's a charger in here and the newest version of the drill. So that's pretty dope. And then I got my $30 refund. They didn't call me or anything. I just showed up to see if what the status was, because I got an email saying the parts were delivered last week. So I was just checking. So got that. Like I said, I still need to get my angle grinder. So come back to once I get my angle grinder. All right, so got the angle grinder back. Today is February 22nd. So everything works on it. It doesn't turn off when you rotate it anymore, so that's convenient. I did get my refund for it. I got my $30 back, so I paid nothing to get this repaired. And then this is the drill that they replaced my other one with. So they came with a big battery, which is cool, and a charger, so that's cool. And you know, I paid $0 to get this one on top of that. But there is a new warranty process for Ridgid. You can't take it to Home Depot anymore, so we do have another angle grinder that is turning off when you turn it. So we will go through the warranty process doing that. I personally still don't think these are bad tools whatsoever, even though I'm getting them replaced. I'm using the warranty. You know, it's kind of the whole point of having a warranty. But they do really well. I personally just use them to do car stuff, and I'm just a hobbyist. I don't do it every day, so I'm not every day using these. So I guess it is what it is. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.